आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question says, an architect in an arid region determines that a building's current landscaping uses $1,640 worth of water monthly. The architect plans to replace the current landscaping with arid-zone landscaping at a cost of $15,900, which will reduce the monthly watering cost to $770. Which of the following inequalities can be used to find M, the number of months after replacement, that the savings in water costs will be at least as much as the cost of replacing the landscaping? Right. So in the inequality which is required, we have two sides. The first side would be the left side, we can say, would be the number of the amount saved, right? And the right hand side would be the amount, the cost of replacing the landscaping, right? Or vice versa, any side. So first, all right, since we already know what the cost of replacing the landscaping is, LHS of the inequality would be that value. So that value is given to us as $15,900. So the savings must be at least this amount in order to break even, right? That is what is asked. Savings in water costs will be at least as much as the cost of replacing the landscaping. So the RHS must be at least equal to the LHS, right? So we have RHS should be at least, which means greater than or equal to. So RHS is greater than equal to LHS, right? So this is the format we'll be having in our inequality. Next, the RHS. RHS is the savings. Now savings will depend on what the previous cost was, what the current cost is, and for how many months, right? So it will depend on three factors: this cost, the current landscaping cost, the reduced landscaping cost, and M, the number of months after replacement, when the savings will be at least as much as the cost. Now savings is whatever is saved compared to before. So that would be previous cost minus current cost. That would be the savings. So previous cost is 1640, current cost is 770, right? So this amount is saved every month since the landscaping was replaced, right? And according to the question, it has been M months since that. So every month this term adds up. So we can directly write this term multiplied by M, however many months it has been, right? So now we have our LHS and our RHS. So the inequality would be 15,900 is less than equal to 1640 minus 770 times M, right? So this is our inequality. Comparing this with the options, we see option C is correct.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।